Which number is most rational number? Let me show you two geometrical proofs that square root 2 is an irrational number. If square root 2 equal to a or b can be written in the lowest form, then we can make this right isosceles triangle with sides a and b. You can see that by Pythagoras theorem, 2b square equal to a square or square root 2 equal to a or b. Now split the hypotenuse into two parts with length b and a minus b. Then create this smaller triangle and connect A and E. Now triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ADE. So BE equal to DE and EC equal to 2B minus A. Now by Pythagoras theorem, we get 2 times A minus B whole square equal to 2B minus A whole square, or square root 2 equal to 2B minus A all over A minus B, which contradicts that A or B is in least form. So square root 2 cannot be written in lowest form. Hence square root 2 is irrational. Assume square root 2 equal to a or b. So 2b square equal to a square. We can rewrite this equation as b square plus b square equal to a square, and represent this equation as one large square having the same area as two smaller identical squares. If we move two smaller squares inside the big square, then the overlapping area must equal to the remaining area. This means that the blue square has the same area as two identical yellow squares. So square root 2 equal to 2b minus a over a minus b. This implies that a or b not in least form. So square root 2 is irrational. Now we know that irrational number can be represented as continued fraction. For more information about continued fraction, check the previous video about Golden ratio, where I explain about continued fraction in detail. Link in the description. Now square root 2 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 over square root 2 plus 1. Now again square root 2 plus 1 can be written as 2 plus 1 over square root 2 plus 1, and this process can be continued. So square root 2 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus and so on. Now subtract 1 from both sides. We get square root 2 equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 and so on. So square root 2 has infinite continued fraction, which means square root 2 is irrational. Now let's find out which number is most rational number. We know that pi can be written as 3 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 15 and so on. If you chop the continued fraction at a certain point, you get an approximation. If you chop here, you get pi equal to 22 over 7. It's a good approximation for pi. Now if you chop here, 1 over 292 is very small number, so pi is well approximated a step before that. So if you choose Golden ratio and chop it anywhere, you get very bad approximation for phi. So phi is most irrational number. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch the next video.